I bet the farmer would enjoy some cookies today. I should make him some. I hope I have enough brown sugar. Making brown sugar is an effortless and fast process that requires a limited number of ingredients. Here's how you can do it. First, gather the ingredients. You'll need granulated white sugar and you'll need some molasses. Measure the sugar. To make 1 cup of brown sugar, use 1 cup of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of molasses. If you want a darker brown sugar, you can use more molasses, maybe up to 2 tablespoons of molasses to each cup. Adjust the molasses to your taste. To make about a pound of brown sugar, use 4 cups of white sugar and 4 tablespoons of molasses. I like to make smaller batches more often, and I like darker brown sugar, so I'm starting with 2 cups of white sugar and 3 tablespoons of molasses. Mix the white sugar and molasses together until well blended. Use a fork or a whisk to make sure the molasses is evenly distributed. You can also put this in a food processor if you want to go faster. So that's it. Brown sugar is super simple and quick to make. Now transfer your brown sugar into a tightly lidded container and keep it in a cool and dry location. You can also store it in the refrigerator to prevent it from solidifying. So does making your own brown sugar save you money, or does it cost more than what you can buy it from the store? Today, which is January the 31st, 2023, Walmart.com has 2 pounds of brown sugar for $2.97. The cost of the ingredients comes to $2.37, a difference of 60 cents per 2 pounds. If you don't use much brown sugar, 60 cents may not be worth the 5 minutes of your time it takes to mix it up. But if having the ability to control how light or dark your brown sugar is important to you, or if you bake a lot of goodies for your family, you may want to consider making your own. So, what do you use brown sugar for? While too much sugar, either brown or white, isn't good for you, an occasional treat is fine. Leave your favorite way of using brown sugar in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to make your own brown sugar. Stay healthy, don't eat too much sugar, and have a blessed week.